Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Don Mattingly, former Yankee star, longtime baseball figure, and now back in the dugout. So, where is Don Mattingly now? Let's break it all down. Don Mattingly, nicknamed Donnie Baseball, made his mark as one of the greatest first basemen in New York Yankees history. He played his entire 14-year MLB career in pinstripes, earning multiple All-Star selections, Gold Gloves, Silver Sluggers, and a batting crown. After retiring as a player, he moved into coaching and managing roles across Major League Baseball. After his playing days, Mattingly transitioned into coaching. He served in various capacities with the Yankees and Dodgers before becoming a manager. He managed the Los Angeles Dodgers from 2011 to 2015, and later the Miami Marlins from 2016 through 2022. Under his leadership, the Marlins even made the playoffs in 2020 and won an NL Manager of the Year award. Where is Don Mattingly now? As of 2025, Don Mattingly is working with the Toronto Blue Jays as their bench coach. Beyond just the bench coach role, he also added the title of offensive coordinator, overseeing hitting coaches and coordinating offensive strategy. However, ahead of the 2025 season, he was shifted back to the full-time bench coach role, removing the offensive coordinator designation. He joined the Blue Jays staff in November 2022 and continues to be a key part of the coaching team. Don Mattingly's career has come full circle, from a beloved player in New York to leading teams and now helping shape one in Canada. He's no longer the guy swinging the bat, but his influence and baseball IQ still guide players from the dugout. Even in a supporting role, he remains a respected and vital part of the sport.